Smile greetings. I am Mamta Agarwal, Suchok therapist and lecturer, executive committee member of International Suchok Association, practicing in Hyderabad, India. I am introducing Suchok therapy found by Professor Park Jae-woo of South Korea. He has been coming to India every year and explaining about the therapies. Professor is not with us anymore, but his therapies are keeping us alive and lightened. Suchok, this is a Korean word. Su means hand and chok means feet. So all the ailments are treated on the palm area or on the foot area of a person. This is how we are treating patients every day. Smile greetings, dear friends. How can you take care of yourself in a very healthy way in spite of doing the lovely fasting that you have been waiting for such a long period? Dear friends, we have got few special therapies in Suchok to take care of yourself during fast. Take 2 bowls with some ice and place the ice on the left hand center and the right hand fingertips in the ice, and reverse the process after 30 seconds. This will help you for many stomach problems. The second treatment, take a paper tape and place few whole moong seeds on it and put it on the finger and wrap it well. Keep the seeds for 6 to 7 hours. This will help the system to be comfortable during your fast. In the third treatment, take your right hand and yellow sketch pen. Paint your right hand little finger nail the same way as you paint with the nail polish. Keep the color for 2 hours and wash it after that. This helps the appetite to come down. In the fourth treatment, you take the sole of both the feet and the center area is to be given the round with the dark blue color. This in the same manner on both the feet. Leave this dark blue color for 6 to 7 hours and wash it after that. This helps the stomach system to stay cool and pleasant. So when you are doing these therapies, you can be very comfortable with your hunger, your thirst, your acidity, stomach problems, feeling very fatigued. All these ailments will be taken care of with the help of Suchok therapy. Suchok therapy is a natural way of healing with no side effects and no intake of any medications. Still, we need to take precautions while doing Suchok therapy. So the first precaution to be taken is doing the therapy after having a proper meal. If you are fasting or you are hungry for 2-3 days, kindly do not do Suchok therapy. Number 2, please do not do Suchok when you are in pregnancy. Number 3, if you've had a long day and 2-3 nights without sleep or you are having insomnia problems, please do not treat yourself with Suchok therapy. Go to a proper practitioner who can help you. Number 4, you have to be very careful when you are doing Suchok, when you are not allowed to do under any addictions. These are the small precautions when you have to take when you are doing Suchok therapy. Smile thanks.